welcome to the Project Simon. Today we are going to try to remove all the windows and hopefully not break any. Wish me luck. So let's go. They say these things here should just come right out. We'll see. Yep, just as they said they would. My tools are scattered everywhere, so forgive me for walking around a little bit. Trying to get these off without too much problem. Come on. Come on, buddy. It's almost there. It's like, yeah, there it is. Yeah, I've never done one of these windows before, so I'm probably going to break it. The bad thing is, where I'm in the States, it may be a little hard. So you need to do this finishing strip. I've never seen a black finishing strip. This is kind of interesting. Finishing strips out. Now they tell me it's kind of cold out today, so they tell me if you take and run a screwdriver and kind of get this thing broken away from the rubber. It's kind of cold out today, so I don't know how easy this is going to go. I might have to heat the windshield or heat the rubber up a little bit. It's hard to tell how long this rubber's actually been. It's hard to tell how long this rubber's been on this car. A little scratch in the little nick in the rubber there, but I plan on replacing them anyway, so not a big deal. Okay. So now this scares me. It really does. I tell you what I'm going to do, because I don't want to break that glass, so I'm going to cut that rubber out of there. Okay, I'm back with the utility knife. See if we can actually cut this thing out of here. Well, right there's the cord. This rubber is so hard. Let's get a little bevel in it. I'm going to lay that there for now. But those are going to get wrapped up and threw up underneath somewhere safe. There's the front. Alrighty, I'm going to move you to the back and then we'll go from there. Okay, I got you back here at the side window. I was going to do the back window first, but then I realized that the side window needs to come out before the back window. I think I'll be better off doing the same thing. Cut this out. Now these are more like windows that I'm normally used to. This is how Volkswagen windows are made. Ta-da! That's a lot of glass to have to worry about for a year or two. There's that one. Alrighty, I'll move you over to the other side real quick and then we'll do the other side. This side doesn't seem quite as hard. Yeah, it wasn't hard at all. Alrighty. There's that one. That one was quick and easy. Look at that. Okay, let me move you to the back window. Then we'll do the back window. Now I have reason to believe this one's going to be just as much of a pain in the ass as the front window. all the windows are out. Thanks for watching. I'm going to clean up for the night, and we'll see you on the next episode. Probably the next episode is probably going to be the interior, so we'll start working on that. I don't know how many episodes that'll end up running into. Hopefully get it into one, but it may end up being two. But thanks for watching.